Oh, we're live?
Yeah, we're live.
Well, this is awkward. All right.
Good morning, SK. Yeah, that's right. I'm Ocean Brown.
And you already know, call me Pruitt, Jackson Pruitt.
Yeah, let's get the show going before you make it more awkward. Starting Monday for $10, you can buy a letter in the index of the yearbook. You got to choose a word that starts with the letter 2. Supply is limited, so hurry to the ASB office. Second semester schedules will be available on Monday. Log into your Skyward account to view online. Hard copies will be available given in first block class on Monday. If you receive an incomplete schedule or you're missing prereq elective options, counselors will be available in the Commons during lunches Monday through Wednesday for scheduled corrections. And sophomores and juniors, there will be a running start meeting with advisors from Olympic College next Thursday at 5:30 p.m. It will be held in stage 1.
11th and 12th graders, you have an opportunity to participate in the digital SAT reading test and essay free of charge Wednesday, February 13th during the school day. This opportunity is open to those students to take their SAT score and those 12th graders who will take the SAT to satisfy their state graduation requirement. Feedback will include information on what students are predicted to score on the future SAT. Let Ms. Marisic or Mrs. Haney in the main office know by today at noon. Again, juniors and seniors, if you're considering attending a community college after you graduate, you must take the AccuPlacer coming up next Wednesday. The cost is $20. See Mr. Reichel if you have any questions. The Jostens Leadership Conference is coming up. Sign up, pay your $20 at ASB, and get an off-campus pass. Have it returned to Mrs. Fairweather by Monday. And if you didn't know, tonight is our annual talent show.
At 6:30 p.m.
Admission is $6.
$4 with ASB.
Come watch the best talent you could ever think of.
We better see you there.
Hit it, director.
All right, hi, what's your name?
What are you going to be singing for us today?
Hi, my name is Kelly Williams, and I'm going to be singing an Ariana Grande song for you.
All right, let's hear it.
Even almost got married, and for Pete I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, cause he was an angel. Thank you.
Yes, that was awful. Thank you. Next. So who are you guys, and what will you be singing for us?
This is the Front Street Boys.
Strat, hit it.
Believe when I say that I want it that way. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartbreak. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never want to hear you say.
I'm not gonna lie, dog. That was tight.
And I thought it was dreadful. Is there any talent here at South Kitsap High School?
Hi, I'm Emily Reel.
So, what are you here to sing for us? Please let it be good. We've had a rough day.
Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby. Oh my gosh, I loved it.
That was so great.
That was brilliant.
Thank you so much. I'm actually part of the talent show, which is tonight at 6:30, and it's $4 with ASB and $6 without. You guys should go.
I'll be there, dog.
Yeah, I'll be there, sis.
Honestly, darling, I'll be there to see you shine.
And Tolo is coming up, which means prices start cheap and get higher in price the longer you wait. Don't waste time. Starting next week, all you need is $8 with ASB and $11 without.
The following week, you need $10 with ASB and $13 without.
And the week of Tolo, it will cost you a whopping $12 with ASB and $15 without.
And for all you lucky people out there, there will be a flash sale February 1st only. $9 with ASB and $12 without.
You must buy your tickets by the Friday before the dance because no tickets will be sold at the door. And in order to buy tickets, you must be fine-free and purchase your own ticket.
Just roll it. They already know. Track conditioning will begin Tuesday. Anyone interested in joining the team should meet Coach Santos on the track on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 2:30 p.m. And girls water polo starts soon. If you are interested, please attend an informational meeting next Thursday at 2:15 in Stage 2. Preseason conditioning will be Tuesdays and Thursdays starting January 22nd from 8 to 9 p.m. in the SK pool.
And the Lady Wolf Bowlers did a great job last night to get a victory over Rogers. They won their match 1,859 pins to 1,786 pins. This victory gives our Lady Wolves a chance to win the SPSL next week. Well done, ladies. Boys swim competed hard at Puyallup and Olympia this week, but came up short in both meets. Numerous best times this week as they head toward the postseason.
And for all you club members out there, National Honor Society will meet Monday in room 202C at 2:10. Please bring your completed applications if you plan to be inducted this school year. But meeting today is Interact and Builders of Unity. But on Monday, CAD, Anime, K-pop, ASL, Model UN, STEM, and National Honor Society will meet.
Attention all sophomores. If you'd like a good getaway this summer, check this out.
What's up, sophomores? Do you want to go to a leadership seminar for the low price of free? Then you should apply for the Hobie Leadership Seminar that is taking place this summer. So many sophomores have gone to Hobie, and they all loved it.
I love Hobie because it's really great to get to know the people around you in your state.
I learned so much about leadership, about global issues, and just how to be a better person.
If you're a sophomore, I definitely recommend it. 10 out of 10. It will be the best experience of your life, I promise you.
So what are you waiting for? You don't want to miss this outstanding opportunity. Applications are available in the guidance office before and after school and during lunch, so go pick one up today.
If you're interested, head down to the Guidance Center. This event will be held at WSU this summer.
You know, this whole show I've been offended by this trash.
Dude, don't even get me started. What is this?
Whatever. I'm glad I don't have to sit next to your shameful green and yellow at the assembly.
All my fellow Marcus Whitman Trailblazers, we get the lucky senior side along with the John Sedgwick Generals.
And for my fellow Cedar Heights Rain Devils, we get the whole underclassmen bleachers with the band.
And if assemblies aren't of your taste, there will be some alternatives. Let's see what you've got. It's too late now to get a dismissal pass, so pick where you're going to go.
You know, last time I was on here with Deshaun, I was sad the show was ending and I got emotional, but you've just offended me.
They like me better anyways. See ya, SK.